she vanished from a cruise ship and was never seen again. In 1998, 23-year-old Amy Bradley went on a family cruise to the Caribbean. They were just days into the trip when Amy disappeared from the ship without a trace. No security footage, no splashes, no witnesses. But the weirdest part, multiple people claimed to have seen Amy after she vanished. In 1999, a Navy sailor swore he saw her in a Caribbean brothel. In 2005, a tourist said a woman ran up to her in a restroom and whispered, "My name is Amy Bradley, help me." Amy's family believes she was abducted, possibly trafficked. She's still missing. But her story is not forgotten.